Okay guys, what's happening today?
Good morning. It's 7 o'clock. No, it's not. It's 6. It's 6. I'm cold. Whoever planned this out should have thought.
What are we doing today?
Oh, we're gonna go hike, and then we're gonna go on the beach. Hopefully, we're gonna go eat. I don't know.
We're gonna barbecue.
Yeah, I'm gonna go interview or my uncle. Tell us how you were born and raised.
I was born in a farm.
You want me to take it?
Do you think you'll make it up this hike?
Nope. I'm not going up there.
Okay. Frick, I should have rethought about this whole entire thing. I don't know what I was thinking about doing this. Let's go see my auntie. I want to see how she feels about this. I should have just said let's go beach. Oh shoots, my bad. Go auntie. That's all you. Auntie, how you feel about it?
Ask me when I get to the top. No.
Okay, now it's starting to get kind of warm. I think it's because we're exercising. And you know how your body gets warm when you exercise?
I don't even know what that is.
Hi everybody.
Hey. Aha, hey. Adele, how do you feel right now?
I feel good. I'm glad I woke up early.
Engaged couple, how do you guys feel?
Amazing. Tired, but amazing.
I'm hungry.
Same.
Yeah.
Y'all are hungry.
I don't know why we didn't eat before we came here. Look at the view though.
The view.
The real view.
Hungry? Yuki, say hi.
You come on this side.
It's not that bad.
A few moments later.
Give us a break. We walked all the way up here. We're going to stop at every stop.
How are you guys feeling?
Here. I'm ready for collapse.
I was waiting an hour.
We gotta get to the beach. Yeah?
Gotta get to the beach. We need breakfast.
To the beach, to the beach. To the beach, to the beach.
Are you recording? Can I see?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Go ahead.
Hello. I'm gonna take this camera with me. Alright. My name is Ripley Faltana. Alright. And this is my first day of hiking.
First day.
Hello, Juno. How was your day?
Good.
They said I was gonna make it up last.
Yes. Me, Jade, and Juby, and I won the bet.
I can't believe
I mean,
because I
you
was
came
walking
up
with
with it.
TT.
She came
Wanted to make
last.
secret stop.
She came last. That's all that matters.
Well, she wasn't. Repa
Huh?
was. Repa and Hope.
They did a photo op, and I passed them.
Scratch that. She came.
But between me,
second.
June, and Adele, I did come up last. Or did I? No, I did.
No. Yeah, you came up for Adele. Adele, how was your day?
It was good.
Mom, how do you feel?
You're
made
going
it,
so
right?
close to them.
Wait, you want to catch my boogers? Can you see me now? Did I drop like 50 pounds?
I don't know, Mom. Did you? You probably did. Today.
Again,
How was your day?
I'm hungry.
Me too. Jimmy, do you want to eat? Me too. Dad, how was your day?
Terrible.
Terrible?
Yeah.
Why's that, Dad?
Because I wake up in the morning and come walk this thing.
Wasn't that good because you exercise?
No.
It's not?
Saturday's supposed to be for me to rest.
For you to rest, sleep. Amen, Dad. Amen. Where's John?
David?
David? I thought David was the other one.
Who's John?
I thought David was the other one. Oh shit.
John, but there's
Yeah,
no
John. I thought that was
Don't ever call me John.
How was your day? How was your day?
Why?
Just asking. How was your day, Auntie Rosie?
It was beautiful, thank you.
How was your day?
Productive. David! Thank you, Hope, for... What was that? It was my AirPods. Thank you, Hope, for arranging a nice cake. There goes Rev. Rev on his way to the top. I'm hungry. We're hungry.
Alright, you guys. Time to head back down.
Hey guys, I'm back. So we're going, this is where I left off, or technically I left off over there, but I just got the camera back. So Adele, how do you feel?
I feel much better now that we're going down.
Repa, how do you feel? Tired. Wasn't this one of your ideas? No comment? Alright.
It was you that did this thing.
You supported my idea. The cycle was pretty short though.
Oh, I'll be the cameraman. Oh, are we taking a photo?
Can you take a photo?
Is it taking? I can't tell. I don't hear the flashing thing. Just stop the recording. It just started raining out of nowhere.
And I think it's gonna stop in a couple minutes.
I think the weather is my fault. Whoa! It's raining hard. Oh my gosh. Okay, bye.
2 hours later.
What are you doing, TT?
Digging my legs out.
She is too tall.
You can't peek with your feet now.
No, I can't. I can't. There's a giant mountain here. Help!
What are you doing, Yuki?
Back again. Oh, this is really close. Wait, how do you zoom out? Wait, you know what she...
Hello, everyone.
Back to our vlog. And then now we are at the beach. Our family is cleaning up.
We just finished a photo shoot.
It was a me. Oh, again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe
to our channel. Like it. Comment down below what you think our channel should be named.